Hi, this is Susanna from Hold It Right There Sewing Patterns. Thanks for watching my video tutorial series for my sewing pattern, the Delmar Wristlet. To make the Delmar Wristlet, you will need to purchase the sewing pattern from my website linked below. The purpose of this video series is to walk you through the instructions as you're making the Delmar Wristlet. This first video describes the unique features of this bag and covers the supplies you will need to make it. This small wristlet carries all your essentials. The top zipper opens to the main compartment. 8 card slots and 1 slip pocket keep your credit cards, cash, and other essentials organized. A front slip pocket secures with a twist lock and is perfect for your phone. The wristlet strap combines 2 fabrics for a unique look. Your purchase includes a bonus pattern for making the Delmar as a waist bag. My video tutorial for the Delmar fanny pack version is linked below. To make the Delmar wristlet, you will need the following supplies. You will need 2/3 yard of quilt weight cotton for your main exterior fabric, 5/8 of a yard of quilt weight cotton for the contrast, and 1/4 yard of quilt weight cotton or fat quarter for your lining. For the exterior contrast fabric, called fabric 2 in your pattern, you can use cork, vinyl, or leather instead, and if so, then just omit the interfacing. Other great choices for your fabric 2 contrast are home deck fabrics or heavier canvas or waxed canvas. And for any of these choices, you would just use a single layer of woven interfacing. For your interfacing, you'll need 1.5 yards of woven interfacing and 1/8 of a yard of ultra firm stabilizer. You will need 1 9-inch or longer zipper. I'm using a metal zipper, but you can also use a nylon coil zipper or zipper by the yard. You will need 1 twist lock hardware for the tab closure, 1 1/2-inch D-ring for the optional wristlet tab, and 1 1/2-inch swivel hook. For the twist lock, you will also likely need a small Phillips head screwdriver. You will need 1 double cap rivet and tools for installation. I'm using an 8mm rivet for my fabric wristlet. You will also need a washable fabric marker or friction pen, Dritz fray check or other fabric sealant, and then some type of fabric glue. I'm using Fabri-Tac. And last of all, if you're using a domestic sewing machine, I really recommend using a walking foot attachment. The walking foot attachment will help when you're sewing through the many layers of bag making, and it keeps the layers from shifting as you sew. Thanks for watching this video. Join me in my second video as we take a look at the special features of the sewing pattern itself and prepare the fabrics for making the Delmar wristlet.